Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi well guys, we are in season 8 of Uthando Nesthembu and uMakhumalo Shame guys. She has been indezelaring this issue guys that I don't know why she keeps pressing on it. But anyway, remember phela uMusa said ukuthi yena he said something along the lines ukuthi uMakhumalo she was staying kibo a girlfriend. So uMakhumalo on this season guys akadlali, she's telling uMusa, listen, mina ke into engifuna ukuthi uyiclarify yile ndaba yokuthi mina ngahlala kini ngiyi-girlfriend. Guys, I don't even know personally, I don't get to why is she still bringing up this Lendaba. Last season, she was not fine about it. She kept bringing it up, kept trying to explain which she was not a girlfriend because it's portraying her in a way which Yena, she just came into, Musa Mselebu's household and made herself a wife. And she, I guess, she ufunu wutika malahlanzwe, guys. Well, her name or her, I don't know, Istimasake or whatever it is. But listen, she's serious on this thing. And I'm just like, why are you not letting him? Like your wife now, into yabdala, but it looks like, listen, uMakhumalo, she is not here to play with this issue. But guys, I'm just wondering, this thing, because it seems to be more deeply rooted than we realize it. Because I also saw Umayeni saying with dala Aibo, which we'll make a separate video for on its own. But at this point, that's the reason why reunion etingagana guys, because I'm a reunion puma, and I feel like that's the reason why Uthando and Uthando Nesthembu doesn't have a reunion, because Pro Host would have asked this question now, Musa, ithini indaba, put Musa there, put Umayeni there, put me, and let's hear the story, because I don't know why would Musa like lie about that. It looks like either if he's lying about that, but even why would he lie about that? And uMakhumalo alazi maybe he lied to Umayeni about it and he respects Umayeni more than uMakhumalo. But I don't know what it is about it. But uMakhumalo, guys, she doesn't like, she just wants to put this thing to rest. And I don't even understand why it's so, this was years ago. But this season, guys, I just have a feeling with uMakhumalo not here to play. Oh, she's not here to play. Ooh, all these seasons she's been playing the wife that's always by her husband's side. She's realized which her husband is willing to put her underneath the train just or so that he can have peace with his other wives. Manje yabona ukuthi ayiselo azikhale once and ngempela azikhale once. Anyway, guys, we can't wait for. Tell me your thoughts on this, guys. Do you get why uMakhumalo keeps bringing up this and she wants uMusa to clarify ukuthi yena bengasiyona intombi while she was staying there, she was married? Do you get why she still wants clarity on that? Or are you just like me, where you just like, ma'am, like just get over it, like in and nothing's gonna change? Anyway, guys, please do make sure you like the video, do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.